The ANIUSB-MATRIX from Shure delivers a simple, cost-effective solution for integrating high-quality audio into small rooms, ensuring clear communication for every meeting. The ANIUSB-MATRIX provides USB connectivity for Shure Dante-enabled microphones. Combining MXA Microphone's built-in auto mixer with the audio processing on popular hardware and software codecs completes an efficient, affordable system. The compact form factor fits easily into any small room for simple installation and commissioning. With the flexibility of analog and Dante network connections, the ANIUSB-MATRIX delivers simplified conferencing to a diverse range of environments. The Dante network connection carries up to 4 input and 2 output channels over a single network cable, alongside power over Ethernet. The USB port lets you connect to a computer to host meetings. When bringing your own device, plugging in connects you to the entire system for clear, hassle-free communication. The built-in Matrix mixer adds flexibility to route audio between devices. Presets can be saved and loaded for fast deployment in enterprise-wide installations. For more information on the ANIUSB-MATRIX and Shure networked audio system solutions, visit shure.com.